Jonathan Meyer. Welcome to Alive, where we prepare ourselves for the upcoming Sunday readings with a gospel reflection. This is the 5th week of Easter, and our reading today is John chapter 15, 1 through 8. John chapter 15, 1 through 8. Today in our gospel passage, we are going to hear about how God is the vine and we are his branches. Crazy story from when I was in college. But the day that I graduated from the University of St. Thomas in St. Paul, Minnesota, I left on a bike trip. In fact, it wasn't just me, it was 11 other graduates. We left the day after graduation and we biked all the way across Minnesota, Wisconsin, came down through Michigan and then down into Indiana and then into Kentucky. It was amazing. It was a really powerful experience of just like fraternity and brotherhood. We spent every night in a Catholic church. We literally drove from Catholic church to Catholic church using maps and things of these sorts. And it was 1999, so like the internet wasn't as hip as it is now. But it was called the Biking for Jesus Vocation Tour is what it was called. And it was just this like crazy opportunity for us to strive to pray, offer up our sufferings, and promote vocations to the priesthood. And on the back of our jerseys, our biking jerseys that we wore every day, which were our bright royal blue, was John chapter 15. And we as young seminarians wanted to bring forth the idea that like God wants us to bear fruit. God wants all of us to bear fruit. And the church is dependent upon young, fervent priests and seminarians who want the church to bear fruit, who want the church to grow. And the church grows through discipleship, evangelization. The church grows when people are willing to go out and share their faith with others. And individually, we have to look at our lives and say, okay, like, God, I need to individually own up to the fact that you want me to grow as an individual, which means I need to cut off the things in my life that aren't good for me. I need to cut rid of the things in my life that keep me from being who I'm called to be. I need to trim off the branches that are dead so that I can flourish. And then if I am flourishing through God's grace working in me, then I will be able to help others to grow and to flourish. So John 15 has always just been a powerful passage about the fact that God wants us all, in a very true sense, to grow and to be saints and to allow just the church just to blossom. And so know right now, whoever and wherever you are at, that God wants you to grow. And the only way that we grow is when we're united to him, grafted on the vine, but also that when we remove the things from our life that keep us from being who we're called to be. But it can't just be about us. It has to be the fact that we then need to go out and help others do the same. Evangelization, discipleship has to happen. Has to happen. So look at your own life, but don't forget that you're looking at your own life so that you can bear fruit. So bear fruit and allow Christ to grow abundantly within you. On our website, allsaintscatholic.net, allsaintscatholic.net, you will find discussion questions for John chapter 15, verse 1 through 8, and they go as follows. What's the basic message or story that you find in today's passage? What's the good news in this message? What verse or image stuck out to you? What resonated with you? Have you ever grown a garden? How is gardening like our faith? What in your life needs to be pruned, removed, or cut off? Clearly, we are to bear fruit in our own lives. What are ways that we are called to do this? What is fruit that you have seen borne in your life or in others? And what's one way that you can practically put this biblical passage into practice? Once again, join us at allsaintscatholic.net for discussion questions. Join us every week on this platform or others to come to a deeper understanding of our Catholic faith and to live it more abundantly. God bless you.